Hey juice lovers, I'm Kenzie. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we squeeze the truth out of the best kitchen gadgets. Today, I'm thrilled to dive into the Omega NC900HDC Premium Juicer, a slow-masticating powerhouse that's all about fresh, nutrient-packed juice. Ready to level up your juicing game? Let's get started. First, let's break down what makes the Omega NC900HDC so awesome. This is a masticating juicer with a 150-watt motor running at a low 80 RPM to minimize heat and oxidation, keeping your juice bursting with nutrients. Its dual-stage extraction crushes and presses produce for maximum juice yield, leaving super dry pulp. The 2-inch by 1.5-inch oval chute handles bigger chunks, cutting down prep time. It's not just for juice. You can make nut butters, baby food, pasta, and even grind spices. Plus, it comes with a 15-year warranty and BPA-free parts for peace of mind. Now, the pros: this juicer is a nutrient-preserving beast, perfect for leafy greens, wheatgrass, and hard veggies like carrots. The juice is vibrant with minimal foam and stays fresh for up to 72 hours. It's surprisingly quiet, so you can juice early without waking the house. Cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse the parts or pop them in the dishwasher weekly. Users rave about the dry pulp and high yield, meaning less waste and more juice. The versatility for non-juicing tasks is a huge bonus. But there are some cons. Soft fruits like berries can clog the auger if not mixed with harder produce, so you'll need to plan your recipes. The chute still requires some chopping, and assembly might take a minute to master. It's also a premium juicer, so the price reflects its quality, not ideal for casual juicers. Who's this for? If you're serious about juicing for health, love green juices, or want a versatile machine for nut milks and more, the Omega NC900HDC is a fantastic pick. Its efficiency and durability make it worth it for daily juicers, though occasional users might find it a bit much. Ready to juice like a pro? Check out the Omega NC900HDC on Amazon using the link in the description for the best pricing and special promotions from Rick's Review Hub. Clicking our link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, share it with your health-conscious friends, or subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's juice up your day.